Power. Adrenaline. Action. And more at Machinemarvels. Forests are one of nature's most valuable treasures. However, tree cutting has become an inevitable process due to the demands of the modern world. So, how can this process be made more efficient and sustainable? This is where tree cutting machines come into play. In today's industry, high-tech machines are used to save time, reduce human labor, and minimize environmental impact. What used to take days can now be completed in just minutes. Traditional tree cutting methods relied heavily on manual labor, which led to significant time loss and workplace accidents. Today, automated cutting systems, laser-guided precision technology, and efficient cutting mechanisms provide both speed and safety. Tree cutting machines do more than just cut trees. They also automate branch trimming, log transportation, and stacking, optimizing forest management. A worker using manual tools takes about 30 to 40 minutes to cut a tree, whereas modern tree cutting machines can complete the same task in 2 to 3 minutes. This is not only a time-saving improvement, but also a boost in production capacity. In the forestry industry, efficiency is directly linked to the proper use of equipment. Automatic saws, advanced hydraulic systems, and powerful engines significantly increase profitability. Tree cutting is one of the riskiest jobs. Workers using chainsaws are involved in hundreds of workplace accidents every year. However, remote-controlled and cabin-equipped machines keep operators safe from physical dangers, enhancing workplace security. New generation machines come with sensors and automatic stop systems, ensuring safety for both workers and the environment. Tree cutting machines are not just fast and efficient, but also environmentally friendly. While traditional methods involve random cutting, modern machines operate using selective cutting principles. This system protects young trees by ensuring that only pre-designated trees are cut. Moreover, it uses advanced algorithms to minimize harm to forest ecosystems and biodiversity. Modern machines can perform more work while consuming less fuel. Compared to traditional gasoline engines, hybrid and electric machines are becoming increasingly popular. These machines reduce carbon emissions, benefiting both nature and operating costs. Many forestry companies are now opting for green energy-powered machines, ensuring a more sustainable production process. Processing trees is just as important as transporting them. Next-generation tree-cutting machines come with integrated transport systems, allowing logs to be loaded directly onto trucks. This reduces labor, shortens transportation time, and lowers logistics costs for businesses. Ultimately, the path from tree to product becomes faster and more efficient. tree cutting machines are constantly evolving. In the future, we can expect fully autonomous robotic systems, AI-supported cutting analysis, and even more advanced, eco-friendly technologies. With these innovations, human labor will be minimized, forest efficiency will reach its peak, and environmental damage will be reduced to a minimum. A revolution is happening in the forestry industry, and at the heart of this revolution are high-tech tree-cutting machines. In the future, we can expect fully autonomous robots to take over tree-cutting processes. AI-powered systems will determine which trees to cut, how to cut them, and how to transport them automatically. In the past, workers had to spend long hours manually moving heavy logs. Today, hydraulic lifting systems and automated cutting mechanisms have significantly reduced manual labor, leading to less fatigue and greater efficiency. With efficient machinery, labor costs decrease, production speeds up, and profit margins increase. For companies, this means achieving higher production with fewer resources. New generation LIDAR, scanning systems and AI-based analysis ensure forests are managed more efficiently and sustainably. Technology is now a vital tool in preserving the future of our forests. Future machines will be smarter, more energy efficient, and eco-friendly. Drone-integrated systems will monitor forests, optimizing harvest planning and resource management. tree cutting machines are revolutionizing the industry. Safer, faster, and environmentally friendly cutting technologies reduce labor intensity and contribute to a more sustainable future. Modern forestry is now shaped by the power of technology. Investing in high-tech cutting machines can reduce long-term costs, improve efficiency, and maximize profits for businesses. Forestry companies now use big data and analytics to determine optimal harvesting times, predict market demand, and ensure sustainable production. Many companies aim for carbon-neutral operations by using electric-powered equipment and replanting trees after harvesting. Modern forestry is a balance of efficiency, safety, and sustainability. As technology advances, the future of tree cutting will be smarter, safer, and greener than ever before. Don't forget to subscribe for content you won't want to miss.